kitchen or kitchen. This is the fridge or fridge. Oven. On top of the oven is the cooker. Where's the cooker? Here it is. This is a kettle. Cup. 2 wooden spoons inside the cup. Worktop. Where's the worktop? Here it is. Microwave. Pinboard. And paper stuck to the pinboard. Below the pinboard is the sink. Taps. Use the taps to wash your hands. And next to the sink is the draining board. So when you've finished cooking, wash the frying pan and leave it on the draining board. Just below, you'll find the drawer. What's inside the drawer? A knife and a fork. You'll also find a spoon. Everything's left in the drawer. When we wash our hands, we might use washing up liquid. This will make lots of bubbles. On the table, what can you see? A mixer, a bowl to mix up the food, a cookery book, a jug, a measuring jug, so you can measure out the ingredients, a rolling pin, a jar, you'll sit on a stool, and last but not least, the dishwasher.